Hi, Captain. So part is made. First I clean up the lathe. All these curly cues and stuff here. Worked very well. This star number 10 lathe, Seneca Falls, which I put all this stuff here on. Put it all together, bits and pieces from eBay. So the part I made is over here. Fine thread in there. This screws in, and this goes. I'm a doctor. Transplant. This goes over here on this little thing. Right here. So I have to drill a hole, of course. Yeah, perfect. Then polish it up a bit more. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. That was only $10 on eBay, but there were $10 in shipping. So I bought a number of these plates. Because I use them once in a while. So this is a ooh. Can't quite read it through the iPad. Okay, well. Oh, it is a Navy Bureau ships. I think it's probably from the early 50s. Just missing some tubes, 6 SN7s, which I have lots of. And we're off to the races. Put it back in the case, and that's done. That patient's done. Then on to this patient. I already put this part in here. Gotta drill these out. They broke off in shipping, and put this case on, and I'll be done. This will be done. That's done. It goes in the black box. BLX. Rack server thing. So these guys, let's see, this patient, whoops, he dropped a screw. A light bulb, I think. Definitely needs these replaced. And we'll be off to the races too. That one's already fixed. That one's brand new. Portable phone is about 100 pounds, but oh well. That's military stuff. This guy, Navy ship radio. This guy, transceiver. APA 37. That's a real gem. Okay. Off I go and clean the lathe now.